Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Microsoft Office in your Windows machine. Copy the download link from description, open a browser, paste the link and hit enter. Save the file. Download has started. Open download folder after the download is complete. Right click on the disk image file and just mount it. It may take some time to mount. Click on open. Right click on setup and run as administrator. Yes. Installing process has started and it will take some time. Installation completed. Now it's time to active my Office. I'll use a Office product key to active my Office. Enter the product key and click on Active Office. Now my Office is activated and it's ready to use. If you have any query, comment section is open for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future updates.